Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends here in Chicago at the Schwab Impact Conference. I'm here with Chet Chappell with Columbia Management. Chet, thanks for spending a few minutes with us here. Listen, you guys have an interesting suite of active ETFs, correct?
That's correct.
Tell us a little bit about them.
So Columbia Management acquired a firm in May of 2011, Grail Advisors. We currently have 5 actively managed ETFs currently trading, 3 equity large cap products, and 2 fixed income products.
Well, you guys have been very innovative, and one area I want to talk about specifically is the municipal bond area. You've got a muni ETF, and with everything that's going on in the market these days, and across the country, some states have high ratings, some states have low ratings, you're able to kind of weave through that. Talk about that a minute.
Sure. Well, the benefit of active management is the ability to move in and out of securities based on the credit research team and what they provide in terms of opinions on certain securities. So for instance, an index might be overweight New York or California where there might be some credit issues.
Yep.
But because it's actively managed, we don't necessarily have to mimic that index. We can pick and choose which issues we want to purchase.
Okay, so the vast majority of muni ETFs out there are pretty much mimicking indexes. Is that right?
Well, that's what passive investor or passive management is all about, replicating an index.
Yeah.
Active management, you're just trying to beat a benchmark.
Right.
You're not trying to replicate that index.
So you can come in and, for example, you see more trouble coming down the road in California, you can downgrade your allocation and maybe upgrade in other areas that you see happen to be doing quite well.
Correct. We can underweight California or New York or Puerto Rico and overweight other certain states or municipalities or sectors.
Great. And that same strategy you're using in your other asset classes?
That's correct.
Okay.
On the equity side, for instance, we have, or for that matter, all 5 of our portfolios, we have portfolio managers that are managing the mutual funds, and they're also now managing the ETF. So those portfolio management teams have been in place for an extended period of time, and we're leveraging that expertise.
Great. Chet, thanks for spending time with us. I appreciate it. This is Tom Lydon from ETF Trends.